why they're not successful in real estate, and we focused it on really consistency and focus.
Consistency and a niche or a focus, right? And when we talk about people spending their ad dollars when they're just getting started and they have just a fat ass fucking spotlight. If our goal is to get through the wall, we want a really, really strong laser beam. Right. We want our ad dollars to go farther than just like blah. Like if we're going to do really, really wide, the nationwide PPC thing works, but then you need a serious mentor to do that because you got like different buyers. Like
you need serious money in order to do that too, because now you're trying to reach a whole lot more people. And
it's a little bit cheaper when you do it when you do nationwide PPC, and that's why people do it that way. But then
it's cheaper doing nationwide than it would be focusing in on,
like they just like open it up and then like someone clicks, but then they're in Timbuktu and you got to sell that bitch. Right. To where like let's say we have one up in Oakhurst.
You're just saying because you're casting out. So that may be the only difference really when you talk PPC, because in a lot of things, when you try to go too wide, you're going to spend a lot more money. But PPC, you're saying, because it pretty much doesn't matter if you're niche down to one county
down more
or
PPC, it gets a lot more expensive.
It gets more expensive because now you're not reaching as many people. But since you're trying to go nationwide, there's so many more people that you can be touching, and the dollar doesn't change when it comes to
the
that.
Dollar ad goes farther. And if I'm wrong on this, from what I understand,
it makes sense, because typically when you're trying to reach more people, it's going to cost you more money.
Yeah.
But on this, it doesn't matter if it's niche down or if it's broad, because it's still going to cost the same. If it's niche down, you're going to have to spend more money to keep it in front of those, say, 10 people.
Exactly.
Whereas for the same amount of money, you can put it in front of 50 million people.